Good morning, friends. Hi, I am ALOK Ponda. I welcome you in Limitless YouTube channel. Yesterday, I have discussed the first class. This is the second class. So, friends, let's start the session with a beautiful quote. The quote is: successful people are not gifted, they just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Exactly, friends. They are not gifted. Hard work determines everything. That's why I believe in hard work only. So, friends, believe that and go ahead. So, friends, here our vocab sir. The first word is stubborn. Stubborn is a adjective that means difficult to manage or handle or treat. The synonyms are adamant, rigid, hard, and act. And the antonyms are flexible, soft, complying. Then the next word is brittle. Brittle is a adjective. It means easily broken or cracked. And the synonyms are fragile, delicate, cool. These are the synonyms. And the antonyms are tough, strong, enduring. These are the antonyms. Then the next word is circumscribe. Circumscribe means to define or draw a line around. And the synonyms are restrict, bound, delimit. These are the synonyms. And the antonyms are exceed, surpass, overtop. These are the antonyms. Then the next word is philanthropic. Philanthropic is an adjective which means humanitarian or doing good. The synonyms are altruistic, charitable. These are the synonyms. And the antonyms are selfish, self-concerned. Okay, friends. Next, the next word is nefarious. Nefarious is an adjective which means dishonest. And the synonyms are evil, bad, immoral. And the antonyms are good, honest, and right. So, friends, here are some idioms and phrases. The first is hard and fast. That means strict. The example is Arman's father is a hard and fast person. That means he is a very strict person. The second one is jaundiced eye. Jaundiced eye means prejudice, bias. Bias means someone's perceptions. The example is you must not evaluate the success of your rivals with a jaundiced eye. The third one is Midas touch. Midas touch means a touch which turns anything into gold. The example is my friend's bubble gifted with a Midas touch. The fourth one is no love lost. That means intense dislike. So the example is there is no love lost between the two neighbors. Okay, friends. Then the next one is wee hours. Wee hours means at dawn. So the example is the aliens went to visit Konark in the wee hour. Here aliens means foreigners. So friends, These are some phrasal verbs. So the first one is call out. Call out means ask to come for help. The example is the BSFs has been called out. The next one is get it. Get it means understand. So the example is it is very difficult to get at the truth. Okay. The next one is lay by. Lay by means save money, saving of money. The example is I always lay by money for future. The next one is do away with. Do away with means eradicate. So the example is we should do away with social evils. And the last one is come round. Come round means agree. My father come around for the tour. Okay friends, understood? So friends, this was my today's session. Next we will discuss tomorrow. So friends, if you like the session, please subscribe our channel. Please share these videos so that more people will connect. And thank you for supporting us. And all the PDFs are provided in our Telegram group, and the link is below the descriptions. God bless you all friends. Jai Jagannath.